In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the shipping calculated at checkout message in Shopify. Let's dive right into the steps to help you create a more streamlined shopping experience for your customers. Now, Shopify is an incredibly versatile platform, and it allows you to customize many aspects of your online store. One common concern merchants have is that extra messages about shipping can sometimes be confusing or unnecessary. And today, we're going to address how you can easily remove one of these messages. To begin, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand panel, you'll find several options, but go ahead and click on Online Store. This will take you to the section where all the magic related to your store's appearance happens. Now, look for the theme you're currently using. It's often labeled as Current Theme. Find the three dots icon located just next to your current theme. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. The next step is selecting Edit Default Theme Content from this menu. Once you've selected Edit Default Theme Content, you'll be directed to a new interface. Here, you want to locate the Sections tab. This tab is critical as it houses various elements that comprise your theme's layout. Scroll through the Sections tab until you find the text field labeled Taxes and Shipping Policy at Checkout HTML. This particular field controls the message display related to taxes and shipping during checkout. To remove the shipping calculated at checkout message, you have a couple of options. You can choose to simply edit the text within this field, or, if you'd prefer to remove the message altogether, leave it blank. By clearing out this message, you effectively ensure that your customers are not met with redundant information during the checkout process. It's also a good idea to scan through and replace any other instances where this message might appear, just to keep everything consistent across your store. After you've made the necessary changes, it's quite important to remember to save your work. You can do this by clicking the Save button located at the top right corner of your screen. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully removed the shipping calculated at checkout message, helping to streamline your customers' shopping experience on your Shopify store. Taking these few steps not only clarifies the checkout process for your customers, but also gives your store a polished and professional look. Remember, every small improvement can enhance overall user experience, which is a key factor in converting browsers into buyers. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comments below. Good luck with your Shopify store.